Hi, I'm John. Nice to meet you.
Hi John, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you too.
Hello, I'm Alex. I'm a software developer.
Nice to meet you, Alex. I'm Jessica, and I work in marketing.
Hi, my name is Tom. I love hiking.
Hi Tom, I'm Emily. I'm into photography.
Good afternoon, my name is Mr. Smith.
Good afternoon, Mr. Smith. I'm Mr. Johnson, pleased to meet you.
Hello. I'm Mike, I just moved in next door.
Hi Mike. Welcome to the neighborhood. I'm Karen. Hi, I'm Lisa. Are you enjoying the party?
Hey Lisa, I'm Tom. Yeah, it's great. How about you? Hi, I'm Peter, the new intern.
Welcome, Peter. I'm Laura, the project manager. Hi, I'm Rachel. I'm new in this class.
Hey Rachel, I'm Sam. Let me know if you need any help with the material. Hi, I'm sorry, I didn't catch your name last time.
No worries. I'm Mark. Nice to see you again.
Hi, I'm Chris. I once lived in Japan for 2 years.
Wow, that's interesting. I'm Mia, and I love learning about different cultures.